Okay, second video for Thursday, July 4th. What I want to create this video for is to show you exactly what you need to submit for each assignment. I think that's the part of the course that we're struggling with the most. And so what I've done is I've gone through starting at U12 and I've highlighted every single thing you need to include in your assignment. So for U12, you want to know what you need to include? All those sections where it said submit your work to your teacher. What I've done, and I've done it for the rest of Unit 1, I'm not finished with Unit 2 and 3 yet, is I've gone through and highlighted everything you need to do in bold, underlined, and made it pink. So write a paragraph or submit a voice response to your teacher. That needs to be included in your document for assignment U12. The next thing that needs to be included in assignment U12 is right here, bolded, underlined, and in pink. The third thing you need to include in U12 is, guess what? Bolded, underlined, and in pink. There it is right there. Okay? And if there's anything else here, it is also going to be bolded, underlined, and in pink. There is nothing else for U12. Sorry, there is at the bottom here. Your assignment assessing my personal wellness. So all those pink things are there for U12. That's everything that you need to know. Now, another way to check to see if you've got everything included for U12 is to go back to our content page. You've got a helpful stuff link right here. There's a unit checklist. U12, if you have this printed off like I suggested in my initial video here, you can see for the rest of the units, you've got these checklists here. So U13, you should be done that, and that. All of these here will be highlighted, underlined, and bold in pink in the U13 module. In that U13 module as well, you're going to have 2 discussion posts, and they are right here. So you can print this page off. I strongly suggest to do that. Print that off and check these items off as you complete them. All of these things should be included in one document, hopefully, and that is your assignment. These 2 are discussion posts, and they'll have that little link down at the bottom that says join the discussion when you're on the assignment page. When you go to U14, it looks like this. Again, all of these items should be included in your assignment for U14. What discussion posts do you have to do for U14? Oh, there aren't any, so don't worry about any discussion posts. That means when you're in the U14 module, there will be no join the discussion links in the entire U14, so don't worry about any discussion posts there. Okay? Hopefully this helps. Again, please email me if you have any questions or concerns about anything in the course, but this should clarify most of your questions about what should be included in the assignment. The previous video that I posted should help you very much with where you post those assignments or where you submit them to the drop boxes.